Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Orange 4K Professional GPS drone, a model designed to offer advanced features in a user-friendly package. Marketed as a 4K professional drone, this model features an HD camera. While the video capture resolution is specified at 1080p, it aims to deliver crystal clear and vibrant footage, complemented by 12-megapixel still images, ensuring every detail is captured with impressive clarity. One of the standout features is its connectivity. The 5G Wi-Fi FPV system provides seamless image transmission, allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees in real time. This connection is robust, maintaining control and uninterrupted views up to an impressive 600 meters, giving you plenty of range to explore your surroundings. Underneath, the drone is equipped with a brushless motor. This is a significant upgrade over brushed motors, offering several key benefits. It results in a much quieter flight experience, which is great for not disturbing wildlife or people nearby. Brushless motors also have a longer lifespan and require significantly less maintenance compared to their brush counterparts, making the drone more reliable over time. For ease of use and a hassle-free flying experience, this drone incorporates smart navigation features powered by GPS functions like auto-return, ensure the drone comes back safely to its takeoff point with the press of a button or if the signal is lost. The Follow Me mode allows the drone to automatically track and film a designated subject, perfect for capturing dynamic action shots. Waypoint Flight lets you pre-plan a flight path on the app, and the drone will execute it autonomously, opening up creative filming possibilities. Beyond the core features, the drone is designed with the user in mind. It's described as beginner-friendly, making it accessible even if you're new to flying drones. Control is handled via an app, providing an intuitive interface for managing flights and accessing features. With a long flight time and the extensive control range mentioned earlier, the drone encourages you to adventure further and capture more of the world around you, whether it's stunning landscapes or exciting events. The vibrant orange color also makes it easy to spot in the sky. Overall, this drone packs a lot of capability into a package that aims to be both professional in its features and approachable for users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.